Hey guys, this is Owen from Owen Travels and welcome back. So today I'll be taking you through the international transit process here at Incheon International Airport Terminal 2. One of the smoothest and most efficient airport in the world. But wait, I think I'm on the wrong terminal. Here's Incheon International Airport. It officially opened March 29 of 2001, replacing Gimpo International Airport as Seoul's primary international gateway. The airport comprises of two terminals. Terminal 1 currently houses Asiana and other foreign airliners. It is also connected to the Concourse A or the midfield concourse, some low-cost airlines and other foreign carriers. While there's a newly built terminal, opened in 2018. It's Terminal 2, primarily for Korean Air and SkyTeam partner like Delta Airlines, Air France, KLM. Since its opening in 2001, Incheon International Airport has become a leading global hub with two main terminals serving major international airlines and low-cost carriers while ensuring seamless connectivity to Seoul. So I'm here, I'm going to guide you on how you can connect from a Korean Air flight to another Korean Air flight in Incheon Terminal 2. Let's go.
감사합니다. Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed at Seoul Incheon International Airport. Please remain seated until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign.
As soon as you step off your plane, look for any signage that says transfer or connecting flights. This will guide you directly to the transit and security area. It requires some walking depending from where your aircraft has parked. Travelators or moving walkway is widely available. And to enter the security area, all you have to do is to present your passport and your boarding pass for the next flight. It was around 5 in the morning and it's a peak hour where there's a lot of arrivals from North America and Asia. Even though it's a busy hour, there were ample security screening machines available. Welcome to Terminal 2's departure area. If you have a very short layover, please head straight to your gate, but if you have time, you can explore a bit. Terminal 2 has a lot of shops, best duty-free shopping in the world, whether you're looking for luxury brands, cosmetics, or souvenirs, you can find them here. Unfortunately, when the time I was here, most of the shops are still closed. But again, if you were able to explore it at any time of the day, you can go ahead and shop till your boarding time. Time really flies fast here at Incheon Airport, so always check your gate again before heading to your flight. Sometimes it changed the last minute. Terminal 2 is huge, so give yourself enough time to go to your gate, especially if it requires a long walk away. That's it, everybody. Connecting through Incheon International Airport Terminal 2 is one of the easiest transit experiences in the world. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. See you on my next adventure. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.